By 2030, AI could replace 300 million jobs. This staggering statistic is not just a number, it represents a revolution unfolding right before our eyes. Every day, smart machines and automated systems take over tasks that humans once performed. In fast food chains, companies like McDonald's are introducing AI-driven drive-thrus that serve customers without any human workers. These systems speed up service, reduce errors, and cut costs, and they signal a change that will soon ripple through many other industries. In manufacturing, the transformation is equally dramatic. Factories such as those at Tesla are already deploying advanced robots, often called Tesla bots, to handle repetitive tasks with unmatched precision and efficiency. These machines work tirelessly, making human labor in routine jobs increasingly unnecessary. The shift toward automation in factories is a clear sign that traditional roles are vanishing. Even creative and professional fields are feeling the impact. AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are now capable of producing articles, marketing content, and even assisting with legal documents. Roles in copywriting, marketing, and various professional services are at risk as companies adopt these powerful technologies. Customer service, transportation, finance, and education are all undergoing rapid transformation driven by AI. Imagine a world where the jobs you know today disappear because machines can do them faster and more accurately. The pace of technological change is overwhelming, forcing us to ask a critical question: if AI is replacing jobs at this speed, what happens next? As you see these images of automated drive-thrus, robotic assembly lines, and digital charts showing falling job numbers, remember that this change is happening right now. The era of AI is not a distant future, it is our present reality. With each new automated system, the gap between human work and machine efficiency grows wider. We must adapt quickly, or risk being left behind. Every example you see is a clear sign that our jobs and industries are undergoing a massive transformation. The automated drive-thrus are only one glimpse of the broader changes taking place in the workforce. In factories, the relentless work of robots is becoming the new norm, while in offices, software and digital systems now handle tasks that once required human creativity and judgment. This evolution challenges the way we have always worked, forcing companies and workers alike to rethink how to succeed in a digital age. Technology is here to stay, and its impact will only grow stronger with time. Now, we must prepare urgently for a future where automation truly reigns.